FUWAMOCO Puppy's been helping out a bunch. And we're kind of been organizing some of our merchandise and stuff too. And FUWAMOCO Puppy's been like, what's this member's name again? And be like, that's Mikochi-san. Yeah, we did this and this and this with her. Yeah. And she's really kind to us.
But one member, she can't get her name right. I really like the name she calls her instead. And then our newest senpai, LA Darkness.
It's close.
It's close. LA Darkness. Oh, yep, that's her name now. Yes. Close. Sure.
Yeah, Los Angeles Darkness.
Yes.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's new names for everyone.
Yeah. And FUWAMOCO Puppy's been doing a bunch